Welcome to Center of Attention, where all subjects and topics is a subject and topic. There's no controversy. Everybody gonna say what the fuck they wanna say, so we are uncensored. We hope you stay entertained and tuned in.
Who did?
My young boy Ralph from Allegheny. He
broke his neck.
Yeah, he broke his neck. Gonna chase
you
on.
gotta find out what gyms you go. Whatever gym go to, they got sponsors and stuff like Rock Nation gym.
Funny, man. This motherfucker. That shit ain't funny, man. Nigga broke his fucking neck. Nigga still living, still boxing and getting around.
How much is our one?
There you go.
And
there you go.
That's it.
And that's it. So at the end of the day, you good?
This is what that's what goes up. That's what goes down in the podcast.
What goes down in the podcast? Put some respect on this.
Center of Attention.
Yo, Des, you don't know me, dog. Don't talk that shit, dog. Like what shit?
What you mean, yo, Des? He don't know you, nigga.
But wait.
I don't know you. I don't gotta know. Listen,
But hold
I
up.
don't know you. But do you know me?
I don't gotta know you.
Well, we both feel the same thing.
Alright, then.
So we got to work. Something got to work out. We gonna be doing this podcast shit. You ain't gonna just be. Nah, and I feel the same way you feel. You ain't gonna disrespect me, nigga. I know this is your house, but you ain't gonna talk to me like that, dog. I'm a fucking
what
boss.
time you on then? I'm
on the same type of time you on. Whatever time you want, I'm on.
Can't handle the truth.